Stop hair loss fast after 50. Did you know the active growth phase of your hair actually shortens as we age? And the average woman loses about 100 hairs a day, and it's totally normal. By age 50, many women feel like their ponytail has shrunk by half, and the right care can completely change that. Today, we're busting some major hair myths that have been holding you back from thicker, fuller hair. Before we get to the masks, let's clear the air. Trimming only removes split ends. It doesn't affect the root. And brushing 100 times, that causes breakage, so stop doing it now. Let's look at what actually works for fuller hair. Most women over 50 believe that their hair can't get thicker, but studies show simple, natural steps can actually reverse thinning and bring back volume and shine. So if you're ready to boost your hair growth and feel confident again with your hair, stay tuned. I'm sharing the exact tips and tricks that really work. I rotate each of these 2 masks on the weekly, and I'm about to show you. Avocado and oil repair mask. You mash half a ripe avocado and mix it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply it to your hair from root to tip. This one's perfect for adding shine, repairing damage, and boosting our overall scalp health. Leave either of these masks on for 10 to 30 minutes, and I always wrap it in a shower cap. Then rinse with lukewarm water, and then a final cold rinse. I use my Seychelles water purifier. Use whatever one you have, but the cold water rinse helps to lock in and seal the moisture into your hair cuticles. So these simple natural moisturizers are perfect for women over 50, giving your hair the nutrients it needs to feel thicker, healthier, and more vibrant. And this one can be a little messy with the avocado, but your scalp and hair will thank you. All right, so my second favorite hair mask for hair growth is coconut and castor oil booster. I start with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Mix them together and just warm them slightly and massage them into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Once again, but leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Castor oil nourishes the follicle to prevent breakage, helping you keep the length that you grow, while the coconut oil nourishes and strengthens each strand. And as we age, hair naturally slows its growth and it becomes thinner. Follicles shrink, circulation decreases. Basically, our scalp gets lazy and we need to wake it up. So how do these masks actually help with hair growth? First, they nourish the scalp. Healthy follicles need nutrients, moisture, and proper circulation to produce strong hair. And ingredients like linoleic acid and castor oil can help stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which may encourage follicles to remain active. So second, they help by strengthening the hair shaft. So as we age, our hair becomes fragile and it loses protein. And the coconut oil and avocado, they both penetrate the hair and reduce protein loss, making the strands less likely to break. So what grows actually stays longer. Third, they protect against damage. Olive oil and vitamin E, they act as antioxidants, protecting the follicles and strands from stress caused by aging, environmental exposure like pollution, etc. And of course, overstyling, right? Finally, they moisturize and balance the scalp. A hydrated scalp supports healthy follicle function, reducing dryness, flaking, and breakage that can slow our visible growth. So in short, these masks, they just don't make your hair feel soft. They actually create the optimal environment for stronger, fuller hair, even after 50. So now you might be wondering, why not just use store-bought products, right? The truth is that many of these commercial hair products, they just fall short, especially for us women over 50. Many contain harsh chemicals, sulfates, and alcohols that actually strip our natural oils, leaving our hair dry and brittle. And others rely on silicones and fillers to make hair look thicker temporarily, but they don't actually nourish follicles or stimulate growth. Plus, commercial products, they're basically a one-size-fits-all, right? So they don't even provide the specific nutrients our aging hair needs, like fatty acids, vitamin E, or antioxidants. So that's why DIY masks are different. They deliver real nourishment directly to your scalp and hair, supporting growth, reducing breakage, and improving our overall hair health. And that's it. 2 simple, natural DIY hair growth masks. that can nourish your scalp and strengthen your strands, and can help your hair look fuller and healthier, especially after 50. Remember, aging hair needs a little extra love, but with the right nutrients and care, you can slow thinning, reduce the breakage, and restore shine and vitality. So if you try these masks, I'd love to hear your results. Comment below and share your experience. I read every single comment. And if you want more tips, tricks, and science-backed solutions for hair, skin, and beauty after 50, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It's totally free. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, you've got this.